part 2 in our synthesis with Aromatics series. I want to synthesize M-bromonitrobenzene. Oh, I forgot the E. Okay. From, you guessed it, benzene. Okay. So this is going to be starting to deal more with the meta and ortho, I guess, conventions. And so basically a good rule of thumb is that when you want to synthesize something with a meta position, it's generally anything that's going to meta direct will have double bonds in it. And as we know, nitrogen has double bonds in it. So, or nitro has double bonds in it. So, when we start here, we got to think about it. Well, does bromine, does that do meta directing? No. Bromine does ortho and para. But nitro does meta. Okay? So we know that it's going to direct something to the meta position if we substitute it on first. So we can do that with HNO3 and hydrochloric acid. And that will give us put it down here to match our picture. Alright, and so now we know that it's a meta director, so now we can add our bromine. Alright, and this will then yield our meta position. It will direct it to our meta position, and we'll get M-bromo. Whoa, okay. Let's go back. Sorry guys, I was rendering during this video, so alright, cool. So yeah, it renders it back. Or wow, no. It directs it back to the meta position. And so meta being 2 spaces away, as we showed in our last video. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys take a chance and try to work this one out. I want you to go ahead and draw O-bromo-nitrobenzene for me, and I'll give you a couple seconds so you can pause the video and work this out and see if you can synthesize O-bromo-nitrobenzene from just a benzene ring. Okay, so I want you to start off with this, what I have here, and I want you to work out the problem. Okay, you guys may have run into a problem. Well, you looked at this and you're thinking, huh, well, I know this is meta directing, so the nitro group is going to be meta directing. Alright, but we're not going to be able to do that. Well, bromine is deactivating, so it's going to deactivate the ring. Well, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're not going to get your product. So you can still react it with a halogen and still get your product. It's just not going to be as reactive as if you would have started with something else. Okay, and so on this problem, we're going to go ahead and react Br2 and FeBr3. And then react that with our nitric acid and H2SO. Crud. And this will direct it to our ortho spot. Alright, and if you get a test question or something that you could do either one of these and still get the same one, you're going to want to do the one that activates the ring. Some teachers won't take points off on it because you'll still get the product, you just won't get as much and it won't be as reactive. So just keep that in mind when you're doing these problems.